it's Hui Ming here. In this video, you will learn how to set up automatic vouchers for your customers. So once you have logged in into your EasyStore account, right, you can actually click on Promotion, All Vouchers, Add Voucher. And here are all the available preset voucher templates that we have. Okay, you can choose based on your preferences. We have up to 11 templates here. But in today's video, we will go through two voucher settings. Okay, first we will go with the birthday month, and later on we will go through for the ones for new sign up vouchers. Now we will click on the birthday month, and this is where you can actually kickstart your settings. Okay, so first thing first, please give your voucher a title. This title will be visible to the customers, so make sure to give it a nice or a catchy name. So for the title, I give it as a birthday treat, 20 ringgit off, or if you want to put in emojis, please feel free, so to make it more engaging, right? So for the purchase requirement, here you can actually decide whether you want it to be minimum spend or every ringgit spend. So here I'll set it as minimum 100 ringgit spend from the store wide to be entitled for this birthday treat. Okay, so customers get discount. So from the discount, we have up to 3 settings as well. By fixed amount, by percentage, or set to a fixed unit price. So since here we are giving a fixed amount, so please choose the right one. Okay, and insert the voucher amount here, 20 ringgit. Coming down to voucher redeem method, you can see there are 4 settings here. But today we are going with birthday month, so click on it. So then later system will send this voucher automatically to the customers on the first day of their birthday month. Okay, and for the usage here, okay, go through it as well to have a better understanding. So here we can understand that each customer is only permitted to use and redeem 1 voucher per year. Okay, and coming down to customers eligibility, we have 4 settings here as well. Normally we would suggest to go with all login members. Okay, because why? Because if you select all login members, we will be able to identify or to detect which month is customer's birthday month. Okay, but then let's say if you are running membership tiers, you have different tiering, and the highest tiering only able to redeem for this birthday treat, of course you can go with it. Okay, so selected membership tiers. So here would display the tiering that you have actually set through the EasyStore system, okay, from our back end. So for example, Platinum is the highest tier. Yeah, so from here, system will only give this voucher to Platinum members only. But then today we are speaking about all login customers. Okay, so once here are all done, you can scroll back up, and here are the active dates. So let's say if you would like this voucher to be start today, you just set it as usual. But then if you have a specific start time or end time, you can untick this and set your start and end time. Okay, but then we will just set it from this time onward. Okay, and here will be a short summary of the voucher. So before you save it, you can have a double confirm on, okay, everything is all right, and set accordingly. If yes, save it. Next, we go to new sign up voucher. So similar step, we can click on add voucher and select this one, okay, new sign up. And of course, don't forget to give your voucher a good name. So I give it a title as a newbie 10% off. Okay, you can put emojis as well to make it more attractive. So here, purchase requirements similar as the previous settings. Okay, customers spend a minimum amount. So maybe since they are a newbie, right, a new customer, so maybe we lower down a little bit, maybe 50 ringgit or 80 ringgit, right? And coming down, customer get discount. So this time we are going with percentage. So percentage 10%. And here would be the difference. Okay, earlier on we selected birthday month, right? And this time we are setting up for new customers. So here you need to select new sign up. So then only the voucher will be automatically sent to the new customers when they successfully sign up for an account with you. And voucher usage, each customer is only permitted to use and redeem 1 voucher, and it is only eligible for new sign up member. So for example, if Hui Ming is an existing customers, would I be seeing this voucher? No, this is only applicable for new sign up members. And here you will see another setting, which is available voucher quantity. So let's say if you apply to all without any limitation or restrictions, it's unlimited. But then if you would like to create some sort of urgency, for example, soft launch or store opening, this is only entitled for the first 100 customers. You can input 100. Okay, and expiration, yes, you can select as well if you would like to set expiration date for the voucher, whether if you want it to be 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. So if all okay, we can go back up, double check the summary, okay, and save it. After we have set these two automatic vouchers, right? So let's come with me to the website to see where customers can actually view and redeem it. So you can actually add these voucher sections on your website top bar. So this is the voucher sections. Okay, so from here you can see the vouchers that we have set earlier, be it by the birthday treat or the newbie 10% off. So they can actually redeem it. Okay, they click redeem now. Okay, so once they click redeem now, they can actually use it anytime they want within the time frame that you have set. Okay, same goes for the new voucher as well. Okay, so they can actually redeem it, and there will be some terms and conditions, so for them to actually understand better on some of the requirement here. For example, need to spend at least 80 ringgit, and then only they will be entitled for this 10% discount for selected items. And here we emphasize again, for login customers only. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial, and I hope this is helpful for you.